Hey everyone, welcome back, and let me show you how you can practice speaking on Duolingo. So we're gonna get inside the app like this, and you can see that as you go through the course, you jump through this little pieces, and each of them works a little bit different, right? Like the star icon is basically new information which combines typing, speaking, listening, and so on. This is a story, the book indicates the story which you only listen to. This headphones icon indicates the audio show which you have to listen to, but none of them are necessarily for speaking only, right? So if you want to practice speaking, I would recommend you to click on the three dots in at the bottom right, click on the practice below, and in here you can decide specifically what you want to practice. But if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the skill practice, and you can specifically click on the speaking right there. And you have to make sure that your microphone is turned on, so you have to give it access. Obviously this is necessary, and also the speech recognition is going to be required to be enabled. So if you ever get that pop up, make sure you click on allow so it does work. And then now you can see you can speak loud and clear the 10 times, and it's going to ask you to repeat stuff after the characters, right? So that's the point, and that's how you can specifically focus on speaking within the app. Of course, if you also have the Duolingo Max, you can have a video call or role play, which focus much more heavily on the speaking. Obviously, it's up to you to decide if you need it or not, but regardless, you can practice speaking right there. So let me know if you found this video helpful. Just hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next uploads.